Real but shocking experiments. The Stanford Prison Experiment, 1971. Imagine being locked in a fake prison, only to realize you start acting like a cruel guard or broken prisoner, and your mind completely changes. Conducted by Philip Zimbardo at Stanford University. Participants were randomly assigned as prisoners or guards. Guards quickly became abusive and authoritarian. Prisoners suffered emotional breakdowns, stress, and anxiety. Planned for 14 days, but stopped after 6 due to extreme psychological harm. Participants were ordinary college students with no criminal history. Highlighted how environments can influence behavior drastically. Became one of the most cited studies in social psychology. Sparked debates about research ethics and human experimentation. Inspired movies, documentaries, and countless discussions about power and conformity. Milgram's obedience experiment, 1961. Would you obey a stranger and shock someone to death? This shocking experiment proves how far humans will go under authority. Conducted by Stanley Milgram at Yale University. Participants thought they were delivering real shocks to a learner. Shocks ranged from mild to potentially lethal. 65% of participants delivered the maximum shock level. Revealed humans' tendency to obey authority even against morality. Volunteers were ordinary men from the community. Showed that situational pressure can override personal conscience. Demonstrated why atrocities like those in World War II were possible. Widely criticized for ethical issues, participants were distressed. Remains a foundational study in understanding obedience and human psychology. The Monster Study, 1939. Children were deliberately harmed to study stuttering, and the results were shocking and cruel. Conducted by Wendell Johnson in Iowa on orphaned children. Some kids were praised for normal speech, others were criticized for minor errors. Criticized kids developed stuttering or speech problems. Left lasting psychological effects on participants. Raised major ethical concerns in psychology research. Aimed to understand how speech disorders develop. Children were unaware they were part of an experiment. Results were used to study behaviorist theories. Highlighted the power of negative reinforcement on humans. Considered one of the most unethical experiments in psychology history. The Rat Park Experiment, 1970s. Addiction isn't just about drugs. This shocking experiment proved environment can make or break addiction in rats. Conducted by Bruce Alexander in Canada. Rats were given a choice between plain water and morphine-laced water. Isolated rats became addicted to drugs. Rats in enriched social environments avoided drug use. Demonstrated social and environmental influence on addiction. Challenged the idea that drugs alone cause addiction. Suggested humans' environment is key to substance abuse. Provided insights into rehabilitation strategies. Showed importance of social interactions and enrichment. Revolutionized addiction research. If you want more amazing videos like this, hit like, drop a comment, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new The Amazing Fact.